Okay, now let's discuss the last topic that we're gonna cover in chapter 7 part 1 that will be included in exam 2. So we're gonna talk about par value bond, discount bond, and premium bond. So par value bond, the definition is the bond that will be sold at par price, okay, which is basically $1,000. Discount bond is the bond that will be sold at price less than par. So it'll be any price that less than $1,000. Last one, premium bond will be bond that sold at price that greater than par, which is would be any price that greater than 1,000. Okay. What would be the factor that cause bond to be sold at par, to be sold at under par, or to be sold at over par value? So the factor that will cause the price of bond to change above 1,000 or below 1,000, that is just these two factors, which is coupon rate and yield to maturity. So let's clarify about what you call yield to maturity first. Okay, so everyone already know that yield to maturity is just basically the total interest, total investment. Let me rewrite this. Total investment return on bond. Okay, and how about market interest rate? So we talk about market interest rate. The word market means it has to be like many assets that combine together. So when we talk about market interest rate on bond, okay, so make it simple. Just think about a group of bond, okay, in the market, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the company that issue the bond, company A, B, company C, D, E, F, okay, and this company, okay, are rated with the same rating, rate with the same rating, okay, and one of the measure which is used for rating is the riskiness of the firm, okay. So if this company issued a bond with the same or similar maturity and with the same rating, okay, if you average the total, when we average total investment return of this bond, you will get what is called market interest rate. Okay, which is going to be the rate that you should expect to get because it's the average, okay, from many security, which is the bond, with the same characteristic, for example, like same rating, same maturity. So if you invest in this group of bond, you should expect to get this rate. That's why it's called market interest rate. And again, market interest rate just comes from total investment return of each bond. That's why many times I say that yield to maturity and market interest rate can use interchangeably when you put it as IY in your calculator. Okay. So now go back to this situation. So if I assume that the market interest rate for the bond that issued by the company that rate with this rating for 10-year maturity has the market interest rate for 6.6%. So this means that you should expect to get this rate when you invest in the bond with this rating and 10-year to maturity. Okay, so first situation, okay, let's start with X company. Issue bond 10-year to maturity with coupon rate 6.6%. So in this situation, X company pay the coupon rate, which is basically the rate that you're gonna earn for each period from your investment in X company bond. X company pays 6.6%, which is matched with the rate that you expect to get when before you decide to pick X company. So the reason that X company pay the same interest rate that you expect, that means that in order to get $1,000 back later and get $66 each year, you are willing to pay $1,000 today and then get $1,000 back later, because your earning here, okay, your interest earned for each year will be same as 6.6%, which is 66 divided by 1,000. That is 6.6. So this situation is to say that when coupon rate and yield to maturity or market interest rate are the same rate, then the price of bond will be same as the par, and we call this bond as par value bond. In the next situation, for example, Y company issue bond, again 10-year maturity with let's see 4% coupon. Okay, now let's looking at Y company. The Y company only pays 4% coupon, which is that's what you're gonna earn, which is less than what you expect, which is 6.6. So are you willing to pay $1,000 for this bond and get less interest than you should get compared to the market? So with this situation, it can answer that nobody wants to invest in this bond if this bond somehow will be sold at $1,000 price, because you actually get interest from this investment 2.6% less than you should supposed to get. So how can this bond will be sold? In order to fix this situation, the bond will be sold at the price that less than $1,000. Okay, so let's looking at picture here. When the bond is selling at price less than $1,000, for example, if I assume like $800, over time, okay, when the time approach maturity year, the price from 800 will just keep going up and up and up, and at the end it will get closer to $1,000, and at maturity this bond will be equal to $1,000. So from 800 to $1,000, that is the growth that will be another piece of return that you can earn for this bond. So this is the growth, which is the positive growth. So back to here, okay, when the bond sold at no, when the bond issue with the coupon rate that less than the market interest rate, okay, the bond will be sold at the price that less than par because the investor need to get some extra growth or extra earning from the growth of the price, discount bond price that grow to the par value. Okay, so that will be the situation of discount bond. And last one, okay, premium bond. Okay, so let's assume another company, C company, issue bond, again 10-year mature, and then with 8% coupon. So let's looking at this coupon rate. 8%, oh wow, is much higher than the market interest rate that you expect. So 8% minus 6.6%, that is equal to 1.4% that you got too many, basically too many that's on the market. So the reason that the fact that this bond offer very high coupon, okay, everyone may want to buy this bond because it provide very high coupon rate. So when the demand go up, the price will go up as well. So that caused the bond price to go up above par. Okay, so let's looking at here. When the bond price is above par, maybe I just assume like 1100. You buy the bond at 1100, but at the end you will get $1,000 back. So that means over time your bond depreciate, the value depreciate and reach 1,000. So this depreciation is basically negative growth, right? So from what you see here, the 1.4% that you got too many, okay, that is you're gonna be offset by the negative growth because you have to pay the bond price that above the par value. So if I assume that this negative growth is equal to 1.4, for example, then if you plug it back, your coupon rate plus the negative growth, then you're gonna end up having the same market interest rate, 6.6. Okay, so come back here. In summary, when the coupon rate greater than yield to maturity, you have to pay price of bond that greater than par, and this called premium bond. All right, I hope this video helped clarify your confusion about discount bond and premium bond.